Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super useful Gmail feature. How to use BCC in 2025. If you're sending emails to multiple people but want to keep their addresses private, BCC is your best friend. It stands for Blind Carbon Copy, which means recipients won't see each other's email addresses, perfect for newsletters, event invites, or any group message where privacy matters. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Gmail account. If you're on the web version, which is the most common, click on the Compose button to start a new email. This will open a blank email window. Now, in the To field, you'll see options for To, CC, and BCC. If BCC isn't visible right away, just click on the To field and look for a downward arrow or the option to add BCC. It's usually right there. Once BCC is selected, type in the email addresses you want to hide. For example, if you're sending to 5 friends but don't want them to know about each other, put their addresses in the BCC field. Don't forget to add at least one address in the To field. It could be your own email or a main recipient. Next, fill in the subject line and write your message as you normally would. Before you hit send, double-check everything. Is the BCC field populated correctly? Great. Now, click Send, and you're done. Your recipients will receive the email without seeing who else got it. A quick pro tip. Use BCC responsibly to respect privacy laws, like GDPR, especially for marketing emails. Also, if you're on the Gmail app on your phone, the process is similar. Tap Compose. Then look for the 3 dots in the top right to access BCC options. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.